Guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you agent growth rewards. So it means that if you're an agent on Niki Live app, there are some rewards that you'll be given weekly according to your weekly performance. So you can make up to 22,500 in a week as an agent on Niki Live. And again, as an agent on Niki Live, no responsibility based salary in a guild. And again, as an agent on Niki Live helps agency pay for good host. And again, Niki Live helps agency lowering down host cost. And again, if you're an agent on Niki Live app, you can withdraw money daily and receive your money within 24 hours. So if you haven't joined Niki Live agency, or if you're not an agent on Niki Live app, then this is the time. Why don't you join us and we do this together? So let me just show you some of the rewards on Niki Live app. You can see on my screen agency growth rewards. So guys, you can see here agency rewards. You can see the number. We have levels, we have different levels and the requirements. So as level 0, your reward is $70 according to number of eligible hosts that you should be having. It is the level can be claimed up to 3 times. And again, we have level 1 top 150 exclusive. We have rewards of $180. And again, the number of eligible. So you can see your number of eligible hosts on the performance, your weekly performance. You can see level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and up to other levels. You can see these are the activity rules, events time. You can see right here to be eligible for rewards. Both the number of eligible hosts and eligible performance must be achieved at the same time. The rewards for this week can be claimed voluntarily and next week, and only the highest level reward achieved can be claimed each week. I hope you get that. So once you can go through all this by yourself, and you can see right here, if you want to claim your rewards, you just tap on claim your rewards, guys. That is it. So for more videos about Niki Live app, follow me for more videos.